Hello, everyone. I'm Nora. Welcome back to my home. Today, I want to show you my typical day. I will use 30 sentences to describe my daily routine. It's a great way to practice your English. Come inside and let's start. My day always begins early. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. The morning light is so beautiful. Before I get up, I stretch my arms and yawn in bed. It helps me wake up slowly. Then I get out of bed and put on my slippers. My floor is a bit cold in the morning. I go straight to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh. It's the best way to start the day. Next, I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. Hygiene is very important. After that, I take a warm shower and dry my hair. Now I feel completely awake. I go back to my room to prepare. I put on my favorite yellow sweater and jeans. It's my favorite outfit. Before leaving the room, I check the weather on my phone to see if I need a coat. Now it's time for fuel. I go to my sage green kitchen to make breakfast. I love the smell of the kitchen in the morning. First, I drink a large cup of hot coffee. I can't start my day without it. Then, I eat a bowl of cereal with a banana. It's a healthy and fast meal. While I eat, I pack my notebook and keys in my bag. Time to go. I put on my shoes and walk to the garage. I hate being late. I get into my glossy red car and start the engine. I drive to work through the morning traffic. The city is very busy today. I arrive at my destination. I enter the office at 9 o'clock. My desk is ready for me. I start my computer and check my emails. There are many messages to read. At mid-morning, I have a meeting with my team at 11 a.m. We talk about our new projects. When I feel hungry, I eat lunch with my colleagues at noon. We always have a good time together. I finish my work projects in the afternoon. I stay very focused. The workday is over. I drive back home at 5 o'clock. I am happy to return to my cozy house. I take off my shoes at the front door and put on my comfortable clothes. I'm a bit hungry again. I prepare a healthy dinner with vegetables. I like to eat fresh food. I eat my meal while listening to soft music. It's very relaxing. After the meal, I wash the dishes and clean the table. I like a clean kitchen. Now it's time to rest. I sit on the sofa to relax for a while. I usually watch the sunset through the window. Then I read an interesting book for 30 minutes. It helps my mind relax. Before bed, I call my family or friends to say hello. The day is ending. I put on my comfortable blue pajamas. They are so soft. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Good night, everyone. That was my day. You just learned 30 important sentences for your daily routine. Practice them every day to improve your English speaking. What is your favorite part of the day? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories. See you soon!